Marion, you also have been looking to get feedback from your consumers and have been looking at your products and how you can modify those collections. Tell us more about how you've been doing that.
Yeah, sure. So we're actually quite a new brand. We only launched a year and a half ago. And we design collections more or less every 4 to 6 months. And the feedback of the consumer is super, super important because they are the ones buying at the end of the day. So the first feedback we get is pretty obvious. It's what sells from what we have already. But we get a lot of direct feedback too, whether customers love to give feedback actually, whether it's by direct email, through the website comments, or through social media. Social media has been a very good tool for feedback, direct feedback. We've actually gone a bit further too, and we have asked feedback from our customers on social media. So we've told them, oh, we're designing a new collection, what do you want from us? And we've used Instagram surveys capabilities, which are amazing. And we're actually very surprised by the results. We were launching a ski capsule, and they told us they wanted a beach capsule. So something much less technical, and that's proven a very big business line for us now. So it was very useful, definitely.